Newbtube day number 13. So I did one section in module 1. Actually, I think it was module 2. No, it was module 1. So I didn't do very much today. It's Sunday. It's September the 11th when I record this video. So just actually earlier today I was making up for lost time with some other projects. So I am committed to making a video every single day for the remainder of my life. So far, 13 days into this, I'm doing it. But just like I set a goal to do exercise every day. And no matter what, I'm going to get on the treadmill. I'm going to suit up, even times, because I have problems with my feet, my knees, and my lower back. No matter what, I'm getting on that treadmill, even if it's just for 1 minute. If it's just for one single minute, I'm getting on that treadmill. Now, most of the time, I'm on there for a little bit. I try to do 45 minutes, but sometimes it's 30, sometimes it's a little less. But no matter what, and it doesn't happen very often that I just do 1 minute. But when I'm not up to it and I don't feel like it, I'm not going to force myself, but I'm going to go on that treadmill for 1 minute. I'm going to complete my goal, and it's the consistency of doing it. I think it's not setting goals that are so ambitious that you don't meet them, and then when you don't meet the goals, this is what I would do. I'd be critical of myself and be like, well, I feel like a failure, and that's not the whole point. The whole point is to do it consistently. It's like every day is to say, okay, no matter what, I want to make sure that I fulfill the goal. So the goals need to be low, is what I'm saying. Is like, it's like I want to do this, or I want to spend 16 hours a week. It's like, well, why not just set do 4? Set something very, very low, and then if you exceed it, that's great. But this is my lowest. This is what I know for sure I will be able to do. And when the times come when you're not feeling like it, or you're not up to it, or you just get lazy, or you get complacent, I think that happens to everybody. You're not feeling well, you're going to find a way to do it. When I'm not feeling well, I'm still going to be able to say, hey, I've been doing so well with getting on the treadmill that I'm just going to get on it for a minute. If I'm really in really bad shape, I'm going to get on it for a minute. I can do a minute of walking. 1 minute of walking. But generally speaking, I'm doing it all the time. Another thing that helps me is the things that you don't want to do, you should put those things on. You should do those things first. Do the things that cause you the most, are the hardest, and the things that you don't want to do those things first. So those things do help me. I'm not perfect. I do sometimes fall short. I miss my goals. But I'm committed to doing every single thing I can to be consistently consistent, right? No matter what. That's more important than the actual result, is being consistent. That's the biggest thing. And it's like I said, if it's only a minute on the treadmill, then I've got on the treadmill. I did my treadmill time for the day. It's like these videos. If I have nothing to report, then at least I can come on here and say, hey, I didn't do jack diddly squat, but I'm still making that video. The chain of consistency is not broken. It's continuing to go on and on and on. One other thing I want to say is that I know these videos have to suck. I know, and I want it to. I want these videos actually to be bad, because I don't think you get to be good at something until you're bad at it, and then you get better and better. So every time I do make these videos, I want to get better. I want to improve the way I speak, and I want to improve my delivery, and I want to improve my confidence and come off sounding better and better. I don't think you just start out sounding well and good. I don't really have a specific plan. I'm just It's more important for me to do, like I said, upload this video every single day without fail, no matter what. Even if it's just like, hey, I'm just checking in, I got nothing to report. But I did do one little section, and yesterday I was researching. I've already, the content that I'm going over right now has to do with channel selection and naming your channel and things like that. I already have done that. I already had those in mind. I've got the Diplo Critic, which is about my former life as a member of the U.S. Foreign Service. And then I've got the Newbtube, which is about for newbies, learning how to make money online. And then the Essential Travel Items, which is a travel-specific channel. So I've got 3 different channels. Maybe that's even more ambitious, but I want to do all 3 of them. All 3 of them are very important to me. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.